Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want to see a doctor.
What is the problem?
I have a headache and fever.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
That's okay. Please fill out this form.
Sure. Where should I sit?
Please sit in the waiting area. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello. What happened?
I have a headache and fever.
Do you have a cough or cold?
I have a little cough.
Okay. Let me check you.
Okay, doctor.
You should take some rest and drink plenty of water.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care.
Hello. Can I help you? Yes, please. Where can I find the rice? The rice is on aisle 3. Thank you. And where are the vegetables? They're near the entrance. Okay. I also need some milk. The milk is in the refrigerator section. Thank you. Do you need anything else? Yes. I need a dozen eggs and a loaf of bread. Sure. Here you are. How much is everything? The total is 500 rupees. Can I pay by UPI? Yes, of course. Here is the payment. Payment received. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too.
Excuse me. Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
When will the next bus arrive?
It should arrive in about 10 minutes.
Is this bus usually crowded?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Oh, I see. How much is the bus fare?
It's 30 rupees.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Is this the bus to the city center?
Yes, it is.
Great. How much is the ticket?
30 rupees.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please take a seat.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe for more daily English learning videos.